Hi everyone, this is another haul video. This time it's exclusively Kit Kat. We just did a separate Japanese snack cake cookie haul video, and there were so many of that we decided that the Kit Kat one should be on its own. So if you have ever been to Japan or have had friends that go, they probably have brought back different flavored Kit Kats, and we are no different from them. Every time we went anywhere shopping, we looked for new Kit Kats that we haven't tried before. So some of these are repeats that we have had, and others were new that we found this year. So I'll go through the packaging. Most of these you remember, and a lot of them are self-explanatory because of the photos, but the ones that don't have photos, we'll have to try and see if we can remember what exactly the flavors were. So this first one is very common in Japan. This one is matcha or green tea. So most everyone that we've seen in other videos that get the different flavored Kit Kats, matcha is kind of a must. This one was dark chocolate Kit Kat, if I remember correctly. This is a 45th anniversary edition. It also had some kind of girl group promotion with it. Blackpink. Saw them on billboards in Tokyo. But we got this for the flavor. This is dark chocolate. From Don Quijote, we got strawberry flavored Kit Kat. Again, this is pretty common in Japan. This was from, like I said, Don Quijote, and it was under 400 yen for the bag. So for us, probably like 350 or so. This one was a strawberry cheesecake with a little bit of crunch on it, so almond crunch. It's a little bit different from the original strawberry. Also in the bag one, I'm going to say that's cherry, but I can't remember exactly. It could be coffee beans, unroasted. So the coffee cherries and almond. Could also be just cherry. And it's a guess at this point, but we're gonna have fun breaking them open and checking out the flavors. And if you know what it is because you read Japanese, you can go ahead and comment and let us know. And we apologize in advance for not knowing exactly. If you watched our last snack video, you saw that we had a couple of packages of Tokyo Banana, and we also found Tokyo Banana Kit Kat. So banana and chocolate is good. So we're hoping Tokyo Banana Kit Kat is just as good. So this one has 8 packages, and the little they're small packages that come with 2 sticks in them, and again they're great for little gifts. This kind of shows you the different Tokyo Banana flavors, but I think this one is just regular chocolate with banana. Okay, this was one of the more unique ones we found. Purple sweet potato Kit Kat. This one we didn't see last year, so we had to get one of these. This also has 8 packs in it, and this was from this one says from Okinawa. And I can't remember for sure if we got it from there, but in any case, purple sweet potato is very popular in Okinawa. Oh, here's another bag one. This one is a new flavor that we had only heard about a couple weeks before we left for Japan. This is strawberry tiramisu. So probably a little bit of coffee, a little bit of cream, strawberry, and the chocolate. It's actually covered in white chocolate, if you can see that. So this will be an interesting one to try. In one of our last bigger packs, there's strawberry. We had a lot of strawberry stuff. Strawberry cheesecake flavor. It has the different buildings from Tokyo, and then the package itself is shaped like Fujisan, Mount Fuji with snow on top. So this will be really interesting to try as well. Covered in white chocolate rather than milk or dark, and should have strawberry cheesecake flavor. Just a few more. These are all smaller packages now, but ones that we wanted to try. This one is melon, and these have 3 individual packages in them. This one says it's Hokkaido melon and mascarpone cheese, so that's probably not super sweet, right up our alley. And these were marked actually at the airport as Japanese souvenirs. And then last but not least, one more small package. This one is peach. Again, covered in white chocolate, and it looks similar to the melon one, just a little bit lighter. But we're looking forward to trying this out. And if you're, this is from the airport, but if you find them anywhere else, you could give them as gifts. There's a little tag that you can use on the back. So that's our Kit Kat haul. We hope you get a chance to go to Japan or have friends that will come back and bring you some and try all these different flavored Kit Kats. Thanks for watching.